let's continue to look on at question 2, right? So you have this two compound, 3-phenyl propanol and 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Which reagent can be used to distinguish between the two compounds? The first thing you need to recognize, right, is that what are the functional group present here? You will just write them down. This is a aliphatic aldehyde. This is a aromatic aldehyde. Okay, this here is a phenol. Okay, so Fehling's reagent will only react with aliphatic aldehyde. So yes, you can distinguish between these two compounds. Okay, to qualify as a distinguishing test, right, you will need to have visible, observable reactions, and you must only react positively with one of the molecule. Okay, the second one is your Tollens. So you got to recognize Tollens reagent if they give you the complex. Okay, Tollens will react with all aldehyde, so it will react with both the first and the second molecule. Thus, we cannot use Tollens to distinguish. How about SOCl2? SOCl2 cannot distinguish at all because it does not react with phenol, okay, due to the partial double bond that is present here. Okay, so our answer is A, one only.